Guys, it's Neil here, and so far I am not recording, as you can see. My brother is officially recording. Say hi.
Hi.
That is my brother. His name is Explosion77 on YouTube. I'll put his link for his channel in the description. And as you can see, this tree happened from New England October nor'easter, which is snowstorm in October. And right now it's Halloween, so trick or treat, ha ha ha. So so far we have no power and stuff. So I'm gonna climb this tree, and it's gonna be fun. I like climbing trees. Oh God. Oh crap. I did not want that to happen. But whatever, guys. Hope you like this. Like would be helpful. Share would be more helpful. And subscribe to me. And my brother's description, well, channel will be in the description. Explosion77 6. I got it right that time. So hope you guys had a fun time. Happy Halloween, or whatever it is, wherever you guys are. Because our trick or treat is postponed until Friday. That day. So yeah, have fun.